Welcome back. We just finished putting in the new fuel gauge. That's all put back together and working. Yay! It's always good to see progress. Next thing I'm going to do with this is replace the heater control cables. A sure sign that they're gone is when all the knobs are pulled off, because you start reefing on them when they get stiff, and the knobs come off, and once they're off, you're never going to get the knob to go back on and stay on, especially if the cable's stiff like these are. So I've got them. The top one was broken, the plastic part here. Okay, so that's your air. So that kind of preempted the change anyways, but they're all stiff. Now, it's not always your cables that are the problem. Sometimes the actual controls on the gearbox themselves, or something's rusting up or seizing up or bent. God only knows. But since I got the dash unbolted, it's easy to get access to it. It would be silly not to replace them for a couple of bucks. To get them out, don't twist off or pull off the knobs. Like I said earlier, if you do, you'll never get them to go back on. All right, I got them out already, so I'll just show you. What you want to do is get in behind and squeeze these. All right, these little tabs. They're really stiff, and you're probably going to need a tool to do it without breaking them, which is why unbolting the dash is a bonus, but you don't have to. You can get in there and just give them a good squeeze, and they will pop off. It is kind of hard to get in here, and you got to be a bit of a contortionist. Easier to do with the passenger seat out, but you know, you can still get it done. Like I said, I got the dash off, so it's super easy. Okay, so don't pull the knobs off. You're never gonna get them to go back on and stay. All right, so there's my two cables. There's my old one. There's my new one. And I just wanted to show you what I mean about it being stiff. Now, obviously the knob has been pulled off. That cable still moves. All right, it is kind of hard to pull, but I can pull it. So it's functional, yes. Right? Not a chance. Okay? If I got to strain a bit to pull that, it's no good. Here's the new one. Its own weight opens it. So you can see the difference. Quite obvious. Alright? Just the weight of the knob will open that. That's how it should be. Alright, so here you can see two of your cables go here. This is your defrost. Right? You can hear the door that's in there, and you can feel it in here with your hand. Okay? So your air comes out here, and it either goes up to your defrost or through the hole here to the floor. Okay? So right now, it's going to be going into the defrost. There, it goes to the floor. Okay? This one over here, harder to see, is your temperature. Okay, hot and cold. You can see here there's another cable. Okay, so your cable comes in here, hooks onto that, and this just controls your temperature. All right, now you're looking at your air. The cable will come in behind the defroster duct, hooks onto here. And there's a little retainer clip, which should be on the others, but isn't. And that just simply clips on there. And this one's stiff, because it's actually moving quite a bit of stuff. Okay, so you can see the cable that comes down here, which works the door. Okay, and that goes to there, and then you got a steel rod on this one that goes behind the defroster duct over to that side, which is on the driver's side vent. Okay, one more time just to summarize. Bottom cable, defroster. Middle cable, temperature. Top cable, air. All right, that's your vents. All right, if anybody's interested, there's your part numbers. This is the 28 inch. This is the long one. All right, so that's your heater cable, air. Well, there's that part number. There's your defroster. It's 21 inches. And there's your temperature cable, 21.5 inches. Okay, all that's left now is to button the dash back up and push the cables into the spots. They'll clip right into place, and I'm done. Hopefully this helped out somebody. I know there's not a lot of info out there, and what's there you have to kind of decipher. So hopefully this cleared up a little bit of what cable is what and why it's where it is, and how to get your heat going again. As always, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.